Man, what's good, kings and queens? It's your boys out of Barber, man. And today, we're here with a vlog. My very first vlog is to the Connecticut Barber Expo. There we go, the Connecticut Barber Expo. Man, I'm gonna be vlogging the whole trip. I'm currently Gary Lee from Jersey on to Connecticut. It's like a 3-hour and 30-minute drive. And this is my first time going to the barber event, man. So I'm real excited. Like I said, I'm a vlog. I'm gonna take y'all through my whole weekend. It's gonna be my first time here, man. And I'm excited. As y'all see, I got my bags situated. I just put my suit in the car, bringing my clippers. But this is gonna be a light travel, so there's not really that much to do. I'm gonna hit the road around like 11, so I can get there around like 2, 3. And then my check-in time for my room is around like 4:30. So I'm gonna see if I could check in early, man. But other than that, I'll get back to y'all when I hit this road, man. We're gonna have a blast in Connecticut. All right, y'all, we back. Right now, before we hit the road, I'm in CVS, and I'm looking for some things before I go, because I need Vaseline and I need Lysol spray, And then after that, we ready to go, man. I'm like very excited because this is my first time at the expo. And I'm just excited to be in that environment and see what to expect I really don't know what to expect. It's that way. Okay, so I really don't know what to expect. I got tickets for everything, the Barber Grammys, the seminars, the expo competition, so it's gonna be real dope, man. I'm really excited, and I'm excited to be vlogging, really challenging myself, setting a goal to vlog while I'm out there. What's up, y'all? Alright, man, we made it to the hotel. We finally here. We here. Where the hell we at? Oh, New London. We in New London, Connecticut. Man, so we up here. They got me up here on a fifth floor. Get it? Fifth. Boy, if you don't get. Alright, anyway. But yeah, they got me on the 5th floor and everything like that, so. Check this out. Somebody got some pizza. That joint smell good. Ooh, okay. Yeah, man, we getting situated, man. Barber Expo 2024, Barber Grammys, all that good shit. You feel me? Man, we about to have fun. Brighten this joint up. Get some sun in here, man. Feel me? We here till Monday. You get what I'm saying? We're going to enjoy ourselves. Hold on, get it right. But yeah, man, we here till Monday. Man. Hold on. That's the room. You feel me? It's just me in here, obviously. But yeah, man. You feel me? Hey. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Now it's around 7:18. We're a little less than an hour away from the Barber Grammys. I'm running a little bit behind, so about to go ahead, get dressed, throw my suit on, and I'm gonna show y'all the process as I get dressed, all right?
Gift and have the choice and freedom of whether we utilize that gift properly or we choose to abuse it, like so many do on a daily basis. We meet people every day, develop connections, and build relationships that ultimately provide us with endless possibilities on how far we want to go in life and our careers.
Not only in the barbering industry, but the fashion and tech industry, to name a few. The nominees of Integrator of the Year are...
What's good, kings and queens? It's your boys out of Barber, man, and we here for day 2 of the Barber Expo, man. As y'all can tell, I'm just waking up. We about to go ahead and start getting ready. It's a little bit after 7. And again, just a quick recap from last night, man. The Barber Grammys was amazing. It was dope. It was definitely a cool experience to go to. It was cool being around peers. It was good being in my industry. And then, like I said, it was even dope running into GetBeamed last night, man. That was really, really, really unexpected for me. And that was definitely the highlight of my night last night, y'all. And I'm not even gonna lie. So, but go ahead and get ready. And next thing y'all see is me at the expo.
You can use this as a cutting aid as well, because what helps is it keeps the hair from drying, just like because I feel like with a water dry, you get that little frizz. This is gonna help kind of prime the hair without it feeling really tacky.
Yeah, and so I'm also gonna be using that right now. This is fresh out, no product, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of this to slightly hydrate it, not too much. The key to curls is, we want to keep this hydrated and not frizzy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a light spritz, and I'm gonna work it in with my hands.
We at the CT Barber Expo, as you can see, got a lot of barbers in the building, and they told me that they're gonna give me the best barbers of all time. So we're gonna see if they really about that life. So let me hear it. Can I get your best barber?
What's good, y'all, man? We back at the 2024 Barber Expo. Got my boy with me, man. Cut different. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta pass the mic when you want other people to talk too.
Oh, my bad.
Mr. Cut Different here. We at the CT Barber.
Get up!
Big Expo, man. Enjoying ourselves.
Man, we having fun, man. We enjoying ourselves. We just got done with the education seminar. We're waiting on the expo. It's about a good 20 minutes until we're ready. But outside of that, we're going to get back to y'all once we get inside the expo.
I guess 30 minutes before jumping up here, that's what I was doing in the hotel room, prepping all my tools.
There's some trimmers they got going on over there.
So definitely wanted to.
I just want to focus on most of the dominant areas. I ain't even know.
after hours in the expo. Feel me? We in the casino. I'm blaming this man right now.
Bro, ain't nothing happening.
We blame.
Bro, this nigga lost $5.
No, not even that. Fuck that. I don't even care about the money. I'm blaming this man right now. I'm not a gambling man. But we gambling. We in the casino.
No, you gambling. I don't know what you talking about. I don't know what you talking about. I ain't gambling on nothing.
We in the casino right now, man. So, you know what I'm saying? We about to see what we hitting for.
No, you want to hit any slots.
I'm about to hit the slots. Beginner's luck.